In CMS, navigate to the admin page to access the system management page. Click Subnet to enter the Subnet management page. Locate the root subnet. Right-click and choose New Subnet to create a subnet. For demonstration, enter subnet name as test. Click Confirm to complete the creation. Navigate to Device Management Center and access the topology page for topology management. You will see the newly created subnet test. Right-click and choose Select Network Element. From the list of network elements, select the target element that hasn't been bound. Click Confirm to establish the association. You will now observe that the target network element is linked to the subnet test. Right-clicking on the icon allows you to view and manage the ONU devices and deployment information under that specific network element. To add a new logical OLT, back to the topology page, right-click and select New Subnet. Select Add Logical OLT, name the logical OLT test. Right-click on the logical OLT, select ONU list. And add ONU, select the ONUs you want to add, and click Confirm. After that, you can view the added ONUs on this logical OLT.